Welcome back to Marina 2 Miami. The Perot Museum of Nature and Science in Dallas, Texas is one of the most exciting and modern science museums in the United States. The building looks futuristic with sharp angles, unique design, the Dallas skyline, and a giant glass escalator that stands out in. Inside, every floor offers something new, inspiring from dinosaurs and space to gems, robotics, engineering, and the human body. With sharp angles and a giant glass escalator that makes the museum stand out in the Dallas skyline. The museum is built to make learning fun, interactive, and hands-on for visitors of all ages. In the Life Then and Now Dinosaur Hall, you'll see a massive T-Rex skeleton, real fossils from millions of years ago, prehistoric animals, and interactive screens that show how dinosaurs lived and moved. It truly feels like stepping back into the ancient world.
जा
Very good.
Aww.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe for more amazing content.